tiebreaker match. Two of our quarterfinals are going to go to tiebreakers. Let's see which one of these alliances will join our other two in the semis here. Shot goes low from IOS, not going to count. The early advantage goes to neither alliance as we're tied 30-30. A shot is in solid from CPR as they pound away at the top of the Blue Alliance tower. Red Alliance machine goes for the low goal. This time it's Apex, who plows right back into the defensive line, but quickly makes their way to the neutral zone, grabbing yet another boulder as Apex decides to take on the challenge of the low bar, slipping right on under and aligning themselves to fire away. High Checkers with some serious speed launching off the rough terrain. As both defenses still stand, we have a minute and a half left to play. High Checkers trying to track down a goaler. They've got one in their grasp. It's the Cyber Knights who have one as well for Blue. Blue Alliance needs to continue to expand their lead if they want to win, as the Red Alliance comes out big with some hanging action in the final moments every time. Blue wants to set themselves apart right now, and it's the High Checkers who are going to do that and slip a solid shot for 5 points. The Cyber Knights opting for the low goal. Red Alliance Tower still has some strength left. 3 points remaining. Blue Alliance Tower not far behind. As yet another solid shot goes in thanks to Cedar Park. It's the King Schools who are holding open the Sally Port and makes their way back through, and the shot rings home from the Checkers. With 35 seconds to play, Blue has the advantage. Red Alliance coming on up right behind them. 30 seconds to go. Teams trying to hang and prepare for the end game, while IRS rattles once again with another top shot. Issaquah not wanting to leave this to chance. They're going big or going home. They make their way back to the neutral zone. They gain possession. And with only 10 seconds to go, IRS wants to shoot and score. Issaquah lining up with single-digit touch as Sweetwater goes over. And the clock runs down and up